broadcasting to Suplex City all the way to parts unknown. You're listening to Heel Section 119 right here on Spreaker.com.
What up, people? This is episode, 4 now? Yeah,
something like that.
4.
Nah. I don't know how to count.
I don't have the numbers. We're stupid today.
Yeah, it's definitely episode 4, so what's up?
I almost didn't want to do this episode tonight because my grandmother's in the hospital right now.
Yeah.
So my entire system don't want to do anything. But for the sake of wrestling, here I am.
That's dedication. Kudos to you, man.
Yeah, buddy. So tonight's episode is called, if this were a train, it'd be called the Injury Express.
And it's sad because there's reasons for that.
Yeah, we've got news and rumors and shit, and a lot of people are getting hurt, and oh my god, it's so fucking bad.
Yeah. And just to get it out of the way, you're going to hear more of that tonight after the show on After the Bell, because I discuss injuries and the WWE and how much of a cesspool of absolute shit it is when it comes to injured talent and the moronic fans who come along with it.
I mean, it's pretty bad in general to have it happen, but when it starts coming up around WrestleMania time, that's even worse.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and before I forget, this is completely unrelated, but the first song that you heard opening up tonight's show was Hostile Shakedown by Santa Cruz. And I know I told Marlena this week I'd play nothing but 80s songs, but today is Archie's birthday. Archie from Santa Cruz.
It is.
So, happy birthday.
Yay.
We love Santa Cruz.
So much.
Hashtag Finland! Anyway, so back to wrestling.
You lost me.
Yeah. We got lost in Finland. It was a really bad detour. I'm sorry. Not really.
Yeah, that's a really big fucking detour.
John just commented on our live chat and he said, "This show is a train, choo-choo, mofos."
Oh my god, bless.
Well, hello, cat.
Yeah.
I just had a cat jump down in front of me and I'm having a really bad conniption right now. Help.
So you're going to probably hear a lot of cat-related things because we both seem to be having issues. She has her lovely dumb cats.
Yeah,
I say dumb.
I
say dumb for a reason.
I don't usually use this word, but my cats are retarded.
Oh.
Anyways. So we've gone through another week of wrestling, and it was another colossal shit show.
Oh my god, it was terrible.
We will get through this, with the best of our ability and all this shit, but just saying so, Raw and SmackDown were terrible, and I only missed half. I missed half of NXT because I was out getting food, and we would have made it back in time, except the grapes that I went to buy would not come up, and this poor girl at the register, she looked like she was gonna throw the bag across the fucking store.
I was trying to keep you up to date on what was happening because, NXT honestly was good. It wasn't bad at all. I mean, I know you're as shocked as I am.
Yeah,
let's be real. But, yeah, so we'll talk about the colossal shit show. That was Raw, and a waste of time. The colossal shit show, that was SmackDown, which was also a waste of time. We're going to cover complaints for the week. We're going to do news and rumors. We're going to do me talking about NXT Largo, which I was at on Thursday. Which was dope. I know you're surprised. We've established this.
I'm so fucking shocked. She gave me play-by-play during the entire thing. I was so stunned. I expected some boredom.
Honestly, for me, the best part of it was the fact there was so much good music during the pre-show and the
oh my god, right? This one over here, she sends me a fucking video message and I hear Motorhead playing.
Yep. Ace of Spades was the first song that played when I walked in, and I'm like, I feel like a pro wrestler right now. I walk in the room and fucking Ace of Spades by Motorhead's playing, and I'm like, okay, this is a good day.
And I'm going to chalk that up to Quadruple H.
Yes, Quadruple H was killing it this week.
Yeah, you can call him Quads.
You can call him Quad.
Yeah, what a week.
Ugh. It was a week.
That it was.
I honestly, like, when it came time to doing the After the Bell stuff, I was so mentally exhausted, like, with everything pro wrestling, because it was Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, like, I was just like, I'm fucking done. So when I have to record the podcast on Friday, I literally, like, threw myself into my office chair, and I was like, this is the worst thing ever. But then I started just editing my podcast, and it was great, because there is a copious amount of music from Finland, and it just makes everything better.
Didn't you use Hostile Shakedown?
I used Hostile Shakedown for my intro, yes.
I love that song.
I think from now on, the only music that's going to be on that podcast is, like, either new music, like, from my friends' bands, or, like, Finnish music. Like, Finnish rock and roll, because that's all that matters.
Hail Finland.
Fucking right. Oh my god, Max. Make up your fucking mind.
Cats.
Ugh, I don't, like, if you follow me on Instagram, you see what I'm dealing with, and I love him to death.
He's super cute.
He is the cutest thing, but he is dumb as shit. God bless. I love him so much.
I know the feeling, so...
Get out. Go play in traffic.
Aww. She's so nice, Mommy.
I don't get paid to be nice.
We don't get paid by the hour.
Speaking of, Baron Corbin was wonderful on Thursday night. He got so much hatred.
I love how
it was
draws
gorgeous.
That much heat. I love it. It's great.
I don't even understand, like, I somehow got, like, lumped in with a bunch of, like, face people, and it made me uncomfortable.
That's why you're there, to piss them off.
But I was wearing my Balor shirt, so it just was really awkward, because I was unintentionally in, like, the space section wearing a Balor shirt, so I just looked like a fucking mark. And it was awful, and I hated it. But no, it was really fun.
Totally unrelated, Megan just tweeted at us, and apparently it's a photo of Chris Kirkpatrick at the Bolts game tonight.
Oh, Jesus Christ, go away. Nobody likes you. I like you. It's fine.
Wow, that went from 0 to 100 just like that.
No, I do. I love the little homos from NSYNC. And I can say that because I'm a dyke. It's fine.
Lesbian in the closet.
I'm actually in the closet as we speak, so it's a thing.
Yes,
Things.
Yes.
Oh, wow, he looks good. Good for him.
Yeah. When are we going to get that NSYNC reunion, guys?
Aw, I want it now.
Well, I want Santa Cruz now, but we can't get that, so...
Yeah.
Sad day.
I still am so sad about that.
You're still going. Shut up.
I don't care. It's not right. This isn't wrestling talk. We need to, like, focus.
Okay, focus. I will play a song, and then when we get back, we're gonna start news and rumors, because I actually have a notebook here, and I have multiple pages. So whatever.
There are so many.
I know. I actually wait a week and then I go, and there's some actually that I might have to talk about that I didn't write down. I think. Jeez. I think it's just one. But it does have, like, somewhat quote-unquote big ramifications and kind of connects to one of the things that is written down. But anyway, so here's our first song of the night. It is the song of my people, and I know partly the song of your people.